Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Rippling to HubSpot for employee lifecycle automation, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Rippling to HubSpot for employee lifecycle automation, begin by logging into your Rippling account. Navigate to the Integrations section within the dashboard. Search for HubSpot in the Integrations list. Click on the HubSpot integration option to start the connection process. Follow the prompts to authenticate your HubSpot account. You will need to provide access permissions for the integration. Once authenticated, you'll be directed back to the Rippling dashboard. Look for the configuration settings for the HubSpot integration. Customize the settings according to your organization's workflow requirements. This may include selecting specific employee data to sync. Review the mapping options for fields between Rippling and HubSpot. Ensure that all necessary employee lifecycle stages are appropriately aligned. Test the integration by syncing a sample employee record. Monitor the synchronization process for any errors or discrepancies. If successful, you will see the employee data reflected in your HubSpot account. Next, automate specific actions based on employee lifecycle stages. Set up triggers within HubSpot to initiate workflows based on the synced data. Regularly check the integration status to ensure continued synchronization. Make adjustments to the settings as needed to refine the integration. With these steps completed, you will have successfully connected Rippling to HubSpot for employee lifecycle automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.